Okay, guys, this is still Felicia Richardson, and this is kind of part two. I couldn't fit everything into the 15 minutes of the first one. I apologize. So I just want to kind of finish up my discussion of chapter 18. So the way they judge success of residential schools is they evaluate based on the original potential benefits of the school itself, that we kind of discussed earlier with that report that was released from 1993, just some of the potential benefits and recommendations for engaging curriculum to the students. They also evaluate the success based on what percentage of graduates actually remain in the state to attend colleges and universities, kind of reinvesting in the communities that invested in them originally. So 10 years after the NCSSM was established, a survey was released that said 67% of its graduating students enrolled in state colleges or universities their freshman year. But by their junior year, 73% of them were actually enrolled in an in-state school, and 82% of them were studying science and mathematics. They also judged success by the very large number of National Merit Scholar semifinalists and finalists. And kind of a final indicator of success for state-supported residential schools is that students graduating from these schools have attracted millions of dollars in scholarship offers, as well as recognition in national and international academic competitions. So to kind of come to a close, there were a few things that as I was reading the article that kind of popped in my mind, and I really was kind of wondering what you guys thought. So based on the article, what are your initial thoughts on and concerns with state-supported residential high schools? Also, I was thinking, what do you guys believe is the biggest benefit of this particular type of program for gifted students versus more traditional methods such as cluster groups, pull-out programs, self-contained classrooms, honors courses, etc. Also, based on the text that we've been reading and things that we've discussed in the class so far, is this particular type of programming sufficient for the needs of gifted learners? Also want to hear about if you believe these schools are limiting, because many of them focus solely on math and science, and we've talked about so many different types of gifts and talents. And do you believe that these schools are meeting all the needs of gifted learners, or are they just catering to the math and science giftedness? And then finally, just kind of for fun, I was wondering, what you guys might ask one of the students or one of the teachers about their experiences with a state-supported residential high school. So thanks for listening to part one and part two. I appreciate it, and I can't wait to hear what you guys say. Thanks so much.